Hello, my friend. Do you want a chiseled jawline? Last year, I ate too much on holiday and felt so guilty. It was not until I saw a comment from Lab. This pushed me to make a natural method for a better jawline. But it wasn't overnight. I had to practice religiously. I went from a full moon to more definition. Let's chisel that jaw. Place your tongue on your palate and breathe into your nose and breathe out through your nose. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in through your nose. Your chest will expand if you are doing it properly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Place your tongue on your palate and lower your jaw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tongue on your palate and move to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please follow my pace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both thumbs underneath your cheekbone and bring your tongue out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stick your tongue all the way out. 3, 4, 5. This time, move your chin forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch your mouth to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push firmly into the bottom of your cheek. You will feel the tension. 4, 5. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your mouth wide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open your mouth as wide as you can do it. 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Drop your hands down.